Hi guys, Kevin here from CloudNC, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly install Cam Assist for Autodesk Fusion in Mac OS. So I've already downloaded Cam Assist from the relevant website, and I've got it located in my Downloads folder within my Finder window. I'll double click on it to open the installer. On the first step, I'll click Continue. I can review the Terms of Use Agreement and scroll through that. I can then hit Continue and then Agree. This will be where the location I want to install Cam Assist. I can change that if I wish by change install location, but today I will use the default install location, which we recommend, and I'll hit install. We still have Fusion open in the background, so we need to close that before we do the installation. So I'll hit close application, and we need to do that a couple of times within Fusion. And Fusion will now close in the background, and we can kick off the Cam Assist installer. And that's it. I've successfully installed Cam Assist for Fusion in macOS. I can now relaunch Fusion and find the Cam Assist app in the Manufacturing tab. Thanks for watching.